A new AI tool just launched that lets you create animated websites in seconds. Dora AI is a powerful text-to-website tool that can generate, customize, and deploy websites with just text prompts. Dora AI supports the generation of editable 3D websites. It prepares its own datasets to train text-to-website models, enabling it to craft an unlimited number of unique website designs. With Dora AI, you can also break down your designs into manageable parts and transform them back into user interface elements for even more customization. This AI tool brings high-quality scroll animations and complex interactions to your fingertips, matching the quality of the best websites out there. Although the current waitlist for Dora AI has exceeded 50,000 people, Product Hunt supporters will be prioritized. They'll be among the first 5,000 in line. Just head over to Product Hunt to get yourself early access. Check out the link in our bio.